everyone. My name is Edward, and you can call me Ed for short. Welcome to Pros and Cons. Let me say our pros and cons. Our mission is to assist and also enlighten our viewers on issues regarding accounting standards and tax reforms. Our main aim is to promote a deeper understanding on these issues that I've already mentioned. What I want to tell you is that try as much as possible to like, subscribe, and share our videos with friends and family, as well as all levels of accountants, being students, being CAs, potential CAs, so that we can all come together to share ideas in terms of accounting standards and issues regarding tax reforms. I also want to tell you that our channel is dedicated to professionalism, so we are always ready to listen to ideas and knowledge across and then within the country. Then across borders and then also within the country. Please, at this juncture, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video for us so that it will reach all accountants and potential accountants. So, let me say you should anticipate our videos in the coming days on YouTube. The name of the channel is Pros and Cons. Thank you very much.